Hey, what's up everybody? Too Tall Toby here and happy Friday. Today is May 26th, which means we have about 5 days left in the contest over at twotalltoby.com/leaderboard. And one lucky winner will be selected to win this amazing prize from 3DConnexion, the Space Mouse Enterprise Kit 2, which contains both a Space Mouse Enterprise and a CAD Mouse Pro wireless. So this prize is going to be available for one person who goes to twotalltoby.com/leaderboard and performs a speed modeling run of the 3 models that are shown on that page. There's a video here on twotalltoby.com/leaderboard of all the rules so you understand what's involved. But the important thing to recognize is that it doesn't matter if you have the fastest time or the slowest time or some time in between. As long as you make a video of yourself and you submit that video and it gets verified, you will be eligible for the drawing we're going to have in the beginning of June to win this awesome prize from 3DConnexion. And the thing that I really like about 3DConnexion is that it works for SolidWorks, it works for Fusion 360, it works for Onshape, it works for Inventor, it works for a bunch of the major and minor CAD providers out there, but it also works for a lot of other programs. And 3DConnexion has done a great job of documenting that on their YouTube page. So if you want to see how these 3DConnexion tools could be used in some other programs, be sure to check out the 3DConnexion YouTube page. And if you're interested in winning this prize, all you have to do is go to twotalltoby.com and submit a video of yourself running those 3 models. Again, it doesn't matter if you're the fastest time or the slowest time. Somebody with a verified video is going to be randomly selected to win this prize. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody's videos, and good luck.